Hello everyone, this is Professor Santana again. Last week I had my first contact with n8n and I got curious about integration with Google tools, free Google tools like Sheets and Forms and Docs and Drive. Okay, so I'm trying to do this integration. Here we have two workflows. The one at the bottom presents an n8n form to the user, and stores the data in a Google Sheet. This is a fake email. Okay, where is the data? Here. This is sorry, this workflow uses the internal n8n form and stores the data in a Google Sheet called n8n test 001. This one, okay. The other workflow reads the information that comes from a Google form. Let's see, where is it? This here. Okay, let's do this way. If I write something here, the information will be stored here. Name and email. Okay. The workflow, the upper one, will read the information stored by the form and transfer all this information to the other sheet, n8n test 001, and make it ready to download. So let's execute, and here, okay, it is okay. I'm working with Linux, my local computer. This workflow is running on my web browser, and it communicates with Google Tools on the cloud. This n8n is self-hosted. I have here in this computer the server application for n8n. I'm not using the cloud n8n, okay? And that's it. Here we use Sheet and Form and Drive. Okay, if we click here, we can see that we can download the spreadsheet, which we can see here. Okay, right? Success. Thank you for watching.